Students, I Anil Singh welcomes you in the AKS Inga classes, and today we are going to deal with the article writing. But before going ahead, I must say one thing, that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and push the bell icon so that you can get the notifications in right time. अगर आपने इस चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो कृपया सब्सक्राइब कर लें तुरंत और बेल आइकन को दबा दें, जिससे कि आपको नए वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस सही समय पे मिलते रहें. सो वी गो अहेड. So in this topic, article writing, I will not give you so many guidelines. Directly we will go to the format of article writing. So very first we should write the heading or title of the article. It should be very catchy, very attractive. सबसे पहले हम लोग हेडिंग या टाइटल देते हैं आर्टिकल का, जो कि काफ़ी अट्रैक्टिव और कैची होना चाहिए. एंड बिलो दैट बाई लाइन, तब जिसके द्वारा उस आर्टिकल को लिखा गया है. ABC, the person who is writing the article, or the person whose name is given in the question like this. I will tell you later when we will deal with the question. Now we must write about the introduction of the title, about what you are going to write the article. जिसके बारे में आप आर्टिकल लिखने जा रहे हैं उसका इंट्रोडक्शन 4, 5, 6 लाइन में, 4, 5 और मैक्सिमम 6 लाइन्स you should write here. What knowledge you are having about the introduction of that title, you should write very first. And then content of that title, main content, you should write here in the middle. Or if the title is on a problem or on an issue, you will write that problem and your opinion about that problem. And at last, if the title is on a problem or issue, you will write the solution according to you or conclusion. Otherwise, you will write the conclusion of that article. So, 3 paragraph, at least 3 paragraph you should design in the article. So, this way you can complete your article very easily. Now, we will go through a question. Question is, in the year to come, you are going to celebrate your 18th birthday. Write an article in 150 to 200 words on the joys and responsibilities of being 18. You are Navtej / Navita. So I have selected a very attractive title here. I am 18 ! By Navtej. It is taken from the question. So we have started here the first paragraph. Reaching milestone in age of 18 is a great birthday to celebrate. It packs all that magical specialness which a normal year doesn't. Whether it actually brings along that much more in its stride is still a question. For me, becoming 18 was an awesome feeling. I was allowed to vote. That for me was the best part of turning 18. Becoming responsible for your actions is again something I really loved, as it leads to proper personality development. And our parents are no longer responsible for us. It also brings with it a feeling of independence and loads of freedom. They said that age was just a number. I don't think so. Turning 18 has led to 1,000 new duties entrusted upon us. Right to vote, driving, helping parents with their work. The list is endless. It opened up a new domain of responsibility and made us aware how much our parents deal with. As they say, grass is always greener on the other side. When we were kids, we wanted to be adults. We want to be kids again. With every age comes lots of experience and learning, so just go along with it, live life to the fullest, and no matter what your age, don't forget to be yourself. But remember, being 18 is also about being more responsible, mature, thoughtful, and balanced. So this way we can write an article on a typical topic too. Thank you.